Hey, it's Katie here, and today I'm going to start on a new video series that I wanted to record for you guys. It will be all about how to set up your first Facebook ad. So if you've never done Facebook ads, this will be a great video to start with. The first video is going to be all about creating your business manager and setting up your pixels. And then from there, we move on to the creation of the ad and, everything that you need to do in order to set up a high converting Facebook ad. So let's get started. So as I said, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you have your business manager set up. And by that, I mean to have a Facebook business ad account, within the business manager. I don't want you to use your personal Facebook ad account because if you are running if you're running ads to your business, it's best if you have a business account set up, and it's best if you do it through the business manager. So let's get started. The very first thing that you actually need to have in order to run Facebook ads is you need to have your own page. If you don't have a page on Facebook yet, if you just have your personal account and you don't have like a business fan page, you will need to create that because you will need it in order to run Facebook ads. So in order to create a page, you simply go to this link right here, facebook.com pages/pages/create, or simply click on the link below this video. I will add this link below as well, so you could easily click there and create your own page. I will not go into the details of creating a page. It's pretty simple. You basically go to this link and you fill out this information here about the page. And you just simply go step by step and create your own page. It doesn't take too long. It's very straightforward. So I don't think you should have any issues at all in creating a Facebook page. So once you're done with the creation of a Facebook page, the next thing that you would need to do is set up a business manager that you will be using to run your Facebook ads in. So in order to set up a business manager, you'd need to, again, click the link below this video. I will add this link there as well. Or just simply go to business.facebook.com/overview. So in order to create a business manager account, what you would do is you'd click create account and then you would fill in this information. It says to put your business name over here, but if you have used your business name, for example, in the past and your account got shut down maybe or something, you can definitely use another name here. Just make it to be something relevant to your business, to the things that you will be promoting. For example, I might use something like this. And then here you would need to put in your business email or any email that you have that you want to use for this business manager account, where you'll be getting, emails about your ads and billing and things like that. So you would just fill this information in and click submit and simply go through the steps of setting up your business manager account. Again, this should not be too complicated. You just go step by step and just put in whatever it's asking you to put in there, and whatever it's asking you to do, just take it, go step by step in the creation of your business manager account. And once you're done with that, the next thing what you'll need to do is to create your pixel. And in order to create your pixel, I will go ahead and show you how it's done. So you simply click on this business manager here and then go to events manager. I already have a pixel created, but in order to create a pixel, you simply need to click over here and click on business settings. And then the next thing what you need to do is click on data sources down here and then click on pixels. And then you would just click add a pixel. So, and just simply, go step by step and create your own, name your pixel. You can name it your business name or, whatever name you want to put for your pixel. And then simply go step by step and create it. I will go ahead and just show you how it's done. All right, so you put a name here and then you don't have to put any URL in here. Just simply click continue. And then it's asking you if you want to set up your pixel now. So I would definitely want to set it up right away, but it also allows you to set it up later. So what I will do, I will go ahead and click set up the pixel now. And then it gives you 3 options on how you can set up your pixel. You can add code using partner integrations. You can manually add pixel code to the website, or you can email instruction to your website developer if you have someone who does, who created your website. So the option that I choose is I choose manually add pixel code to the website. And then here is our pixel. So what we do next is we simply click here to copy it. And then we go and place this pixel in all of the pages of your funnel that you're going to be promoting with Facebook ads. So let's go ahead and go to our funnel here, and we will have to add this pixel in. So I will go ahead and show you how to add the pixel to the page. I am using Kartra as far as funnel creation and pages creation tool. It's an incredible tool. If you don't have any other funnel creator, you can definitely check out Kartra. I will add the link below. If you are just simply starting out, Kartra is an amazing tool to use to build your websites and funnels on and do a lot of other things. I basically run my entire online business with Kartra, and it's incredible. So check it out below if you have not checked out Kartra, or if you don't have any other tool to build websites on. If you're using other tools, that's great. You can simply maybe find the video on YouTube how to install the pixel into your websites if you're using other tools. But with Kartra, what you'll need to do is simply click on the 3 dots here and then click edit by the page that you want to add the pixel on. Alright, so and then you click on the settings and then you click on track and code. Again, I already have a pixel installed, but what you will do, these things will be empty or blank. So the place where you install your pixel is where it says embed Facebook ads track and code. So this is where you would paste your pixel in and then click apply and then click publish live. Okay, and then just close it and just return to dashboard. So that's all. We've just placed a pixel on one of the pages, and you'll need to place this same pixel on all of the pages that are within your funnel, because we want to track every visitor and everybody who is going from your Facebook ads through your funnel. We want to track them. So you'll need to place that pixel on every page within the funnel. So the next thing that we need to do, we need to add an event code on the specific pages of the funnel, because you want to be able to track your leads and track your sales within the funnel. So in order to track leads and sales, what you will need to do is you will need to add an event code to specific pages. Not all of the pages, but the thank you pages within the funnel. Once you're done with adding the Facebook pixel code, you just click continue. And as you can see, it says here we haven't received any event code for the pixel because we haven't really done anything to test if the pixel is working. So let's go ahead and test it first. In order to test and to see that your pixel is working, you will need this tool right here, the Facebook Pixel Helper. And in order to add this widget here or this tool, you can just Google it. Basically, just say Facebook Pixel Helper, and then click here, and you'll be able to add it. Add this extension to your Google Chrome, or I don't know if you can add it to other kind of browser, but if you're using Google Chrome, simply add this Facebook Pixel Helper to your Google Chrome here, to your extensions. And then once it's in there, you will be able to check if your pixel is working, and Facebook will know that it's working as well. So let's open this page up right here. So let's just get code of this page that we've added the pixel in, and then we'll just copy it and paste it to a new window here, or a new tab. And as you can see, we have the notifications that lights up here. It says 2, and that means the pixel is working. It actually shows us that this pixel that we created works. It's on the page, and it's going to track our visitors and page views and things like that. So let's go ahead and go back to Facebook. And in order to add events, the easiest thing would be is just to actually click cancel here, and then let's just refresh this. As we can see, it turned to green here, which means that our pixel is working and it's set up correctly. So in order to add the events, what I usually do, there's actually a couple ways to add it, and one of the best ways to add the event code is to simply add a code to the thank you pages. So I will add the snippets of code below this video. So if you need that code, you can simply copy it below my video here and paste it into your thank you pages. But I will go ahead and share with you how to do that. I have this code saved in my notes here. I will go ahead and just copy it and then paste it into my thank you pages. So I will go ahead and share with you where to paste it. So when somebody opts into my landing page, they will end up on my thank you page. And in order for Facebook to know that I got a lead, I will go ahead and paste that code into the thank you page, and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so once we're on the thank you page, we'll go ahead and click track and code, and then the small code that I just copied here goes right below the Facebook pixel code. So simply just go ahead and paste it right below, and then click apply, and then don't forget to publish live to make sure this code is has been saved on the page, and then just close it, just return to dashboard. The next thing, we want to make sure that the sales are being tracked as well. In order to track the sales, what we will do is I will go ahead and copy my purchase snippet here, and I will paste it on the thank you page after someone makes the sale. So the next page that I will paste it on, it's actually my upsell page, because when someone purchases my course that I am offering on the thank you page, it will take them to the upsell page. So I will go ahead and open my upsell page, because that's the way to track. If you have an upsell, you will have to put it on the upsell page instead of the actual thank you page, because the upsell page is serves as a thank you page if you have a funnel with a few different product offers. But if you just have one product that you're offering and then just the thank you page, you will have to place this code on the thank you page. So I'll go ahead and open the tracking code here, and I will just simply paste it right below the Facebook pixel code, and I'll click apply. So that way, all our leads and all our purchases or sales will be tracked. And then publish live. And again, if somebody purchases my upsell, I will obviously have to put this code on the thank you page as well. So I will go ahead and add it to the thank you page. If you have a couple upsells, you will have to, place this code and save it on all of your, upsell pages, because that's where they will land after they purchase the previous course or whatever you're offering. So let's go ahead and make sure this code is also saved on this page. And apply. And publish live. Okay, so now we know all of our leads and purchases will be tracked within Facebook. So we know, how much we're spending on the ads, and everything is calculated, and all the stats and analytics are showing for you within the Facebook ads manager. So that's it for this video. That's how you create a pixel and how you place it on your pages to make sure everything is tracked properly. And in the next video, I will go ahead and share with you how to set up your first Facebook ad and how to get it started. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video.